Well, good afternoon and welcome to another video with a guy and his projects. Today we're working on this 2001 F250 Super Duty, Ford given, and we're doing the hood struts. So I've been around quite a few Fords in my time, and most of them have the hydraulic hood struts, which is amazing. It's awesome, it's huge, especially if you work on the vehicle yourself. You don't have to have the mechanical hood strut that the plastic clip breaks off of. Super huge. I love the struts. Problem is, on almost every Ford I've seen, they don't work. They're broken, they're dead, they've lost their holding ability, the hood's too heavy, I don't know, but anyway, they never work. So you end up carrying around something like this. Like this one, I just have it in the back seat, so when I open the hood, I can boom, boom, pop that in there, and the hood's solid. We're gonna replace the hood struts today, the hydraulic ones, and see if that will hopefully hold the hood. So what we have today, these are Max Power. I got them on Amazon, and they are Autex, A-U-T-E-X, part number 113769, and that's what we're gonna try. Don't know that they're gonna work, but we're gonna try it. I'm not sponsored by these guys. This is just something I bought that I wanna try, and we'll see if it works. That being said, let's get started. All right, step one, just gonna come over here. We pop the hood from under the dash. Find your lever, oh, pop it up. And if you see what I mean, whoo, don't work. Get yourself a little workout, but it don't work. So we come over here and we stick our 2x4 in and hope you or nobody else knocks it, because you know that would suck. So for this, the reason that's not safe, the reason it's not great is if you're working over there and you pop the 2x4 out, this thing's coming down at you with 500 pounds or whatever the heck it weighs. Not that much, but. Alrighty. So for these, it should be, theoretically in my mind, it should be pretty simple. You just have this little clip right here. Just gonna get in there with your screwdriver and pull it out. Maybe. Boom, just like that. And then theoretically, that should pop right off just like that. Okay, yeah, see, so this is toast. Absolutely toast. Oh yeah, that's golden. Okay, so, and we're gonna come over, gonna do the same thing on the lower side. I'm really hoping you guys can see this with the glare. Sometimes it can be hard. So this one's gonna be the same thing. I'm just gonna pop a screwdriver in under the clip and pop the clip off. Boom. Woo, 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 woo. That's funny, okay. So this one, to install the new one, you shouldn't have to pop the clip off at all. You just pop this on over top, I think. We're gonna find out. So we're gonna do this side first. Just pop it in just like so. Okay. Oh, so now, oh, holy smokes, that's tight. So we're gonna have to lift up the hood with our hands. My 2x4 is gonna fall out over there, but that's okay. We're gonna lift the hood up to give us that extra. I don't know if you heard that, but boom. Voila. And that holds the hood all by itself, just the one. Almost concerning. I don't know if I'll be able to pull the hood down when I get the other side done, but we're gonna find out. See about a close up. So that's your thing. Slide a small screwdriver in. Now I'm looking through the camera, I can't see what I'm doing. That's funny. Okay, grab that C-clip. Put your thumb over it so it don't pop off at you. Voila, there's your clip. And that just pulls right off just like so. Oops, oops, oops. Dropping all my stuff here. Oh. And then same thing here on the bottom side, grab your clip. Just pull it up enough you can get it off the ball. Boop. There we go. So this side, not as bad, but you still can do it by hand, which these are stiff enough you shouldn't be able to do that. For example, this is the new one. Oh, I can't do it if I don't want it to. Okay, so same process. Just gonna take this little ball right here, stick it on the ball up here. Boop. Take this little ball down here. Again, we're gonna have to lift the hood a little bit. Voila. We're done. Now, just gonna give it a couple test runs after you clear off your couple of tools. Oh yes, that's a lot more stiff, a lot more difficult to go down. Look at that, okay? Oh, like butter. And down. I'm trying not to latch it so I don't have to go back in the cab. Okay. Whoa. Boom. Whoa. Cool. That's that. All right, guys, that's another project in the books. If you liked that project, give it a thumbs up. If you're going to do this on your own vehicle now, whether it be the same vehicle, a car, van, doesn't matter, anything, it's all going to be the same process if it has the clips. If you're going to do that, make sure you comment and let me know down below. I would like to know that you guys found this video useful. And hit that subscribe button right down there or down there. I don't know, it's down there in one of the corners. So you can watch my other videos. I got lots of videos coming up. I got quite a few videos on the channel right now. I got videos on F150s, F250s, minivans, Honda Odysseys, Town and Countries, Nissan Sentras. Shoot, I don't even know. I got a few videos. Yamaha V-Stars, a couple of videos on the house projects as well. I got a lot of videos coming up too. For example, earlier this morning, we just did the AC compressor on the Town and Country. Also got an EGR valve coming for that, as well as an alternator. And then we have the PCV valve on the Nissan Sentra. I'll probably do a video on the cabin filter on that Sentra. And this truck has a long way to go before I find it reliable per se. So there's gonna be a lot of videos coming. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you keep watching, hit that bell notification so you know when I post. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Adios.